Hey spooky cuties, welcome back to February's Coven box. Apologies if I sound unwell, I absolutely am. But let's get into February's box, which the theme is dark hearts. So we're taking a dark look at Valentine's Day, I'm going to assume. So let's get into it, shall we? So immediately as I took this box out of its plastic wrapper that it came in through the post, I can smell something very instantly. It's not a bad smell, so I'm assuming there's maybe like a candle or some incense or something like that, maybe a bath bomb or even a wax melt in here. So I can definitely smell something already, so let's get into it. So as always, we have our little Spooky for Life ghosty we love, and we have our little thank you card, and that is me. And we have our table of contents, which if you've watched one of my unboxing videos before, we don't look at this, we're just going to pop it to one side and then we can check what we have afterwards, like do a little cross check versus the list. So I'm going to pop this down here and let's get some of these peanuts out of the way, we can get into the box. So, the theme is dark hearts, so I'm going to assume it's very like on brand with this, maybe like, you know, dark spooky Valentine's Day. So let's have a look. Ooh, lots of heart-shaped things immediately in the box, and I'm going to assume the thing that I can smell is this little bath bomb. Now, if you have watched some of these unboxings before, you'll know that I love a bath bomb. So let's go with this one first. This is like an anatomical heart in my favorite color, which is black, and this is a black heart bath bomb, and this is from talesoftoriasoaps.co.uk, and this is descend into darkness with this deep black bath bomb scented in a rose fragrance. Okay, so yes, rosy, as I've just sniffed that intently. Yes, rosy isn't one of my favorite smells, but it's not like an old lady rose scent, which is definitely not my favorite thing. It's more of like a fresh rose scent, so not too bad. So let's pop this one down here. And next, let's get out this patch. I love the patches. Ooh, that's cute. I love the patches from these boxes. Most of them are iron-on, you can see with this like shiny surface on the back. And this is a heart made out of the skulls of my enemies. This is super, super cute. Love that. Next, we have a little pin badge. And this is one of our most famous couples. This is Frankenstein Monster and his bride. Love that, that's super, super cute. That will be going on my little pin badge collection. Next, let's take out this little heart here, which is a little penchant. I never really know how to say that thing. I think it's a planchette. And this says talking board, and it's got a little sort of silver divot in it. I'm going to assume this is for incense to sit in, you know, like the little coney ones. And it's just wood, I think. That's very cute. Next we have one of my favourite little guys we can see here. which is a little pair of socks. And oh, it's Jack and Sally in the moonlight. That's so cute. Lovely, lovely pair of socks there in my favorite color. Love that. Great. Next, let's go for this little black and white candy stripe bag. If you've been here before, you know I love these little bags. They're just super cute. Oh, and in this little stripy bag we have, oh, a little ring. That's cute, and it's a little set of scully hands making a little heart sign. Actually, that way around heart sign, isn't it? So, and that kind of heart. That's super cute. That fits lovely on that finger. Great. Next we have, let's go for this one. Next we have this little bag, and this has, ooh, cute. This has a lovely little necklace in, which is again an anatomical heart, sort of red shiny resin. I'm going to assume it's not a stone. That's very cute, like that. I should do like a little cute counter in the bottom corner, shouldn't I? How many times I actually say cute in these videos. Oh, let's go for this one next. Oh, this is another famous couple. Can you guess? Can you guess what it is? And this is, oh, this is Gomez and Morticia. A little double-sided keychain with a little heart spiderweb pendant with a black stone in the middle. That's really sweet. I really like that. I mean, if these two aren't couple goals, I don't know who is. Like, every goth I know looks up to these as couple goals. Yeah, love that. Okay, next we have a tea, which is called Karamia, which, if you know this is somebody's favourite saying. Karamia was one of Gomez's Adam's pet name for his beloved wife, Morticia. One sip of this delicious spiced caramel blend and you'll be smitten too. Okay, so this is a premium words, black tea blend. Oh my god. This is a premium black tea blend with cinnamon bark, dried apple, organic ginger root, allspice, calendula petals and flavorings. Okay, and we know that we have a some little tea bags from one of our other boxes, so we can definitely use that, and I'm assuming this is from the brand Tenacious Tea. That's cute. Love a tea. And let's go for this little package in this corner. Oh, I was kind of hopeful these were hoops. If you've watched any of my other videos, you also know that I love a hoop to go through my tunnels, but I'm hopefully going to get some little like adjusters I can put on the end of these hooks so I can put them through my tunnels. These are super sweet. Silver sort of like barbed wire effect hearts with little black roses. They're really nice. Now, I would have loved these 1,000 times more if they were, if this was the hoop that you clicked into your ear. That would have been really sweet too, but I can adjust and I couldn't wear these, so that's fine. Okay, next we have a magnet. We always get a little magnet in these boxes, and this says "Creeping It Real." Again, with a little heart made in like zombie hands, with little tattoos on. I think, are they little tattoos? Nope, they're just zombie hands. Cute. Okay, and last, oh, maybe not last but not least, okay, second to last is, we obviously know who this is Gomez, and I'm going to assume on the other side is Morticia. Oh, I love it. When we're together, darling, every night is Halloween. Oh, and this is a super cute little tote bag. I love a tote bag. Oh, that's super sweet. Very sweet. Love this. This is like printed on the material, like vinyl. And I'm assuming this is a Coven design because it says Coven at the bottom. Love that. Love that, love that, love that. Okay. And last but not least, I'm assuming, let's double check. Yep, okay, let's get rid of this box. And then last but not least, we have this little notepad with sort of a heart-shaped scully chest skeleton piece with a heart inside. And this says Memonissi on top, which I think is Latin for memory or to remember. And at the bottom it says, hearts are wild creatures, that's why our ribs are cages. Morticia Adams. It's very cute. We love a little notepad. I'm actually currently using a notepad from the cute box. I can't remember which month that was, to have things I need to get done today. So I love a little notepad. This is super cute. Lots of pages. Okay, so let's swipe all this to one side, double check we got everything using the list, and yeah. Okay, so February's theme, dark heart, definitely getting that vibe. So the first thing on the list is the Morticia and Gomez tote bag, designed by Coven. Absolutely, and we love this. Super, super, super cute. Next we have the Dark Heart Bath Bomb in Rose Scent by Tales of Toria. Yes, we do. I've been able to smell this since the minute we got the box out the bag. Next we have the Academia Tea by Tenacious Tea. Yes. Next we have an anatomical heart necklace. We do. Let's pop that there. Then we have our black rose barbed wire earrings. Yes. Next we have Morticia Gomez spiderweb heart keyring. Yes, and this is super, super cute. Then we have our Keeping It Real Rob. I was going to say Keeping It Real Rob Zombie then. No. Keeping It Real Zombie Heart Hands Magnet. Yep. Put that there. Then we have our Wild Hearts memo pad designed by Coven. We do. Put that there. We have our Jack and Sally socks. We do. We love a Jack and Sally sock. Planchette. Is it French? I don't know. I probably should do some more research into that. Planchette candle. Oh, it's a candle holder. Okay. So it must be for some quite skinny candles. I do have some spell candles that came out of, I think, one of my box of goth boxes. So they might fit in there. Next we have our Skeleton Hands heart ring. Do. Then we have our Frankenstein and Bride pin. Yes. And our Skull heart patch iron / sew on. Yes, we do. Where should we put this one? Put it here. Great, so we have everything in the box, and just to remind you, because I don't think I say this on every one of my videos, but they donate £1 from every box sold to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation, and they love to see any pictures of videos tagged, and all the peanuts are 100% biodegradable, fully compostable, and manufactured from renewable sources. We love to see it. So yeah, we got everything in our box this month. I love the theme of this. So while I was actually away while it was Valentine's Day, and I saw lots of people sort of saying, oh, you know, boo Valentine's Day, let's have a, you know, second Halloween, which I'm all for. But there's nothing to say that you can't make Halloween spooky if you want to celebrate. Sorry, Halloween. I love Halloween, it's on my brain. There is nothing wrong with wanting to make Valentine's Day a little bit dark, a bit mysterious. After all, you know, if that is your aesthetic, every holiday should kind of vibe towards that, in my opinion. And as you can see, with Morticia and Gomez and Jack and Sally, these are like couple goals right here. So this is my kind of Valentine's Day. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know which part was your favourite. I have to say I'm torn between the tote bag, because this is super cute and it feels quite robust, and it's a really nice size as well. And actually this keychain, I don't often say the keychains are my favourite part, but I really like this. It's really sweet. I think I would love another one of these to turn these into earrings, because yeah, I just think they'd look so cute as a pair of earrings. Nudge nudge, Coven. So yeah, let me know which part is your favourite, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!